This video is your sign to lock in for the next 6 months. It took me 160 days to get my first ever student. I don't want them to be stuck in a 9 to 5. I don't want them to be stuck in a position that they hated. Even from YouTube, I don't even earn anything. First 180 days goals set and clear, then you're gonna be lost. And you're not gonna be able to find the way that you want to go in order to achieve the success that you want to achieve. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is your sign to lock in for the next 6 months. The next 180 days is gonna be one of the most prominent times of your life if you lock in starting from today. Forget about 2025, forget about 2026, forget about any other goal that you've set in your life. Just think about this as the only 180 days in your life that you're possible to change your entire life 180 degrees. And have a complete different shift and a complete different perspective on your goals, ambitions, and what you could potentially achieve for yourself. The reason why I say 180 days or perhaps 6 months is because 1 month or 2 months is too short for you to see any kind of result. And it's the base where you're planting the seed. If I was to say 2 to 3 months or 3 to 4 months, then that would be the time where you're actually starting to grow. But if I was to say 5 to 6 months, then this is exactly where you're going to be able to see results along with the goals that you have set for yourself. And that is why 6 months or perhaps 180 days is the most important time of your life starting from today, hopefully. Because from my own perspective, guys, it took me 180 days in order to get my first ever dropshipping store successful. It took me 180 days to get my first ever viral or in any way popular YouTube video. It took me 160 days to get my first ever student for my high ticket mentorship. Indeed, everything takes its own time, but 180 days is the most perfect time that you could set up for you to achieve everything in your life. And that is why I emphasize 180 days, because if you were to start from today focusing on the right things, writing your daily goals, having this entire 180 days for the goals that you want to have, whether it's for your body, for your business, whatever it may be, if you set the right goals, you will 110% achieve it. And that I can tell you guys with my own experience that I just mentioned. And not only my own experience, even the people that have been close to me, even my own private mentorship students, they didn't see results sometimes in the first 3 months, but the 4th month, everything paid off. Everything became 10 times more better, and everything just turned around 180 degrees. And that is why if you were to lock in for the next 6 months, you are literally planting one of the most prominent seeds in your life that could change everything around. And this is why if you were to think about it in any kind of short term, or any kind of long term than that, then you would lose the focus. Some people are out here setting up their next 3-4 years goal. But in my opinion, that is way too long to think ahead of yourself. Of course, it's not a bad thing, it's something good. But if you don't have your first 6 months or first 180 days goals set and clear, then you're gonna be lost. And you're not gonna be able to find the way that you want to go in order to achieve the success that you want to achieve. And that is exactly what I mean. I literally had my goals set for 180 days. And after achieving those goals in the first 180 days, I literally set more goals in the next 180 days. And this is indeed one of the most helpful things for me to become the person that I've become currently. For example, in the start of 2024, I put my first 6 months goal instead of putting my entire year goal. And the first 6 months goal that I had was to buy a property, to have my own Rolls Royce, and to actually retire my dad. And guess what? I achieved all of those 3 things in the first 6 months. I bought my property, which was 4.5 million dirhams. I got my beautiful Rolls Royce, and alhamdulillah, I got to retire my dad so that he doesn't work again. Apart from that, after the first 6 months of 2024, I set another 6 months goal. And the next 6 months of 2024, I got to achieve more goals. And more goals means more numbers, more employees, and more team members that could help me achieve more things in my life that I wanted. And similarly, for the first 6 months of 2025, I set my goals. Alhamdulillah, I achieved a lot of them. Quite few of them are still left over, but we're still in June and I'm still trying my best to work things out, alhamdulillah. But regardless, it's not only about the fact that if you were to achieve it or not, it's about having a clarity. And that clarity does not come within 30 days or 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but it comes with a 6-month package. Now imagine for 6 months, you locked in, tunnel vision, disciplined towards your goals. Whether it's you getting a better body, losing weight, gaining weight, whether it's you trying to start a YouTube channel that you've been trying to start for the longest time, whether it's you trying to launch the dropshipping store that you have been thinking about dropping or launching for the longest time, that you have been thinking about starting but you haven't started. Well, you might have a lot of goals. But those goals haven't come to life. It's because of you and your goals and because of the way that you set them up. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, you should focus on everything as 6 months or perhaps 180 days. 180 days for you to become the person that you've been dreaming of for the longest time. Whether it's achieving a Rolls Royce, achieving financial freedom, getting your parents retired, whatever it may be, set it as a 6 months goal and see how close you're gonna get. And put this video as a reminder. I'm telling you guys that for the next 6 months, I'm gonna be uploading daily on YouTube. And I'm gonna be uploading the best quality of videos that I possibly can. And I'm gonna see how far I can go in the next 6 months. I've already been almost 1.5 months through this entire challenge, and I have 4.5 other months to go. So 4.5 other months for me to decide if this was worth it or not. Currently, alhamdulillah, it's all been worth it, and I've been doing really good. The numbers are good. I'm not really doing this for the views or anything like that, but for the memories that I'm building for myself and my children that is gonna watch these videos in the future together with me and my friends. So indeed, the goal is way more bigger than just numbers or than just, money. Even from YouTube, I don't even earn anything. It's just for me to actually entertain the people or the people that actually follows me, and for me to show the people the reality of having financial freedom and the freedom of time and location, being at whatever place that I want and doing whatever that I want at any time. That is exactly what financial freedom is, and that is what I promote to the people. I don't want them to be stuck in a 9 to 5. I don't want them to be stuck in a position that they hated. I want them to be free, and that freedom comes with a 6-month plan. If you want to quit your job and focus for the next 6 months on your business, clothing brand, whatever, do it. If you want to quit your job and focus on the info product business that you want to build, do it. 6 months, I promise to you, can change your entire life around, and it is the most perfect time for you to set the right goals and achieve them at the most right time, or perhaps at the most perfect time. So if you haven't set your goals, make sure you set your goals for the next 6 months. Write it down in the comment section if you want to. I would love to read them, and I would love to share my own goals together with you guys. I'll put my own goals in the description, inshallah. You guys can have a look. Quite simply, it is to get married. It is to actually have a better life than I currently have. Alhamdulillah, always I'm happy, blessed with everything that I have. But of course, there's always more, all right? And there's not to demotivate myself or to perhaps not feel grateful. Everything that I have, alhamdulillah, I'm super grateful for it. But I just want to have higher targets and higher goals for myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys will set up bigger goals for yourself, because bigger goals will always get you to bigger places. And short time, like 6 months, or perhaps the most perfect time, like 6 months, is the most perfect thing that you could do in order to make sure that you achieve your goals at the perfect time, plant the seed at the right time, and get the fruits at the right time. And that is exactly why 180 days is the important days of your life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.